How to unlink Telegram from other devices. This tutorial shows you how to remotely log out of all your active Telegram sessions on your Android device. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. After that, tap on Settings from the floating navigation bar at the bottom. From there, tap on Privacy and Security to open your privacy settings. At this point, scroll down and under the Security section, tap on Active Sessions. In the next step, you'll see a full list of all the devices and sessions that are currently logged in to your Telegram account. Following this, if you want to log out of all other devices at once, tap on the red Terminate All Other Sessions button at the top. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear, tap Terminate to confirm, and all other sessions will be immediately logged out. From here, if you only want to log out of a specific session, scroll through the list and tap on the session you want to remove. Finally, tap on Terminate Session to log out of just that specific device. And that's it. If this Telegram guide helped you unlink your account from other devices, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.